What up, what up, what up, y'all? What up? It's a rainy, gloomy day. I don't know why it can't be great. I wanted to go for a walk later. I'm not going to be able to do it unless it stops raining. It says it's going to stop at this time, it's going to stop at that time. It has not stopped. I look a little yellow. I got on my turmeric scrub though, really seriously. I got on my turmeric scrub and we'll take it off later when we get ready to get out of here. But let's get back to the video. So we are back in the closet today. In the in that closet. We're not in no closet. Not over here. We're not in the closet. So I'm playing my videos in the back. But I need to turn it down a little bit because I don't want to get copyrighted by the visit. But anyway, my room's a mess. I don't care. I really don't like coming to y'all with this with jammies on. But these my comfy jammies. These my comfortable jammies, y'all. They like really comfortable. Real comfortable. Got the pockets, got the drawstring. But anyway, yeah, we're in my closet today because I'm gonna do some giveaways and I'm gonna do some let go. So the first thing I am letting go, this is not even really a let go. These are going in the trash, honey. Cause these Timberlands have seen better days. Y'all remember these Timbs? I've had these for years. I've fixed the heels on them before. It's time for them to go. Look how ran over. Look how ran over that is. Somebody would say, but son, you can fix them. I'm not fixing them. I don't want to. They are cracked. Like they look at that. Did y'all see the cracking? Look, no, we ain't fixing these. That leather is gone. That leather is gone. Oh, y'all probably can't even see. That leather gone. Y'all see that crack? I'm not fixing that. Let me take my noodles out and put them in something else. Ain't nobody fixing that. Ain't nobody gonna fix that. So these are trash. And then I got some new hold on. First let me show y'all the giveaways. Hold on. All right, let's do the giveaways first. So y'all know I work basically with a capsule wardrobe, and if y'all want me to go into like into detail what I mean by capsule wardrobe, that's why it's always easy for me to get dressed because that's what I go by. I have some color stuff, but as far as like other things, yeah. Get my cozy jammies. Cozy, cozy. Okay, so whoever wants this top, that's me in the background. Whoever wants this top, let me know. This is a size medium. It's too big. It is too big for me. So if you want this, let me know. Y'all know it has that one pocket and it flares out, and then on the sleeves, on the ends of the sleeves, has that. Some medium, like I said. I'm gonna put it in the bag that it came in. I gifted my mom the jeans that they gave me. I had got two pair of jeans. I kept one pair. I kept my trench coat. I kept all of my jewelry pieces. I got something else too, but if you want it, let me know. Then I have these. These are the pants, the thick sweatpants that go to that. If you well, it doesn't go to that. They didn't send me the right stuff, but y'all know how these are. They're thick. And another thing, now this is 100% cotton. This is like polyester, but it's really lined. It's thick. Now see, these would be for a good day like today, which is like 46 degrees, but it feels like 36. I got to go out there because I'm gonna drop some stuff off because I told y'all I'm just really trying to pare down as much as I can here. Okay. So if you want that, I'm gonna give this away. I'm gonna give this away as a set. So let me know, comment in this video or on my IG that you want it, and or y'all let me know. Do y'all want me to do a giveaway, a live giveaway? I might do the live giveaway, but let me go. I mean, let me go. Let me know, but still let me go. Still let me go. I gotta eat me some. I'm gonna eat some oatmeal. Yep. Oh, and this one. This is a medium. Y'all know I really like that, and I tried to wear a couple times with my gray Uggs, but I gotta let this go. It's too big. Some things I can't look how big. Look, y'all. is swallowing me up. Even though it's a medium and it's supposed to be like loose fitting, this is too loose for me. Has the arms. This is in good condition, y'all. So yeah, message me in the in the video comment section, or you can contact me IG, and we'll see what we can work out. I'll send it to you. But then I might do a giveaway. My room is a mess. My room is a mess. Oh, but I found these, y'all, for 99 cents. These are a pair of bear paws, really good condition. Look at that, A1, A1, 99 cents. They're like a slate gray. I forgot what they call this gray. Really nice wool interior. You just slide your feet in them. But I'm still going to need a pair of like tall winter boots because I just now only have these, which are beautiful. I know those are nice. I have these now. I already wiped them down. I cleaned them, scrubbed them. We have these now. And then I have my other Uggs that are still in good condition. Remember I told you I lost the heel thing to them, but they're still good. I don't know if y'all can see the Ugg sign, but yeah, they're still good. Still good. And then I can't wear these in the winter. Apparently, this is too much to wear in the winter time. So let me go. Look at this room. Look at this room. This is a mess. This is a mess. I just been in here chilling. I also was going over my jewelry pieces to see what I want to keep. These are nice. I like these. They're a little heavy, but I like them still. And then these here, I like these as well, but they hurt my ears in the back. This is just a chain. So these are the pieces that they sent me. So I'm keeping all of those. Those are not going anywhere. All right. Ooh, it's so cold in here. Oh my God, it's so cold. But y'all, I've been really letting go of stuff. So I got a plate here. This is still Magnolia Home, Hearth and Hand. I love like the shape, but she got to go. And then I got one of those Nespresso things. I'm putting stuff in the bag. Let it go. Other people can use it. But in here, I told y'all I'm looking for two. Can y'all see me? I'm looking for two. I'm gonna get them. They're at Walmart. It's really nice glasses. So I only need two. So I decided to come in here and let go of some stuff. So I'm gonna wrap these real good. Send these out. These two. These are from Crate and I got them from Goodwill, but they're Crate and Barrel. So you gotta do what you gotta do, y'all. And then I'm gonna let this one go too. That's part of the collection. And I have this one, which I absolutely really like. Y'all know it still had that sticker on there. I try to get it off, but that's actually like from a wine tasting place. This one I always use. This is real thick. It's so thick. I don't know, it might be China, but I might keep this one. I might keep this one. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep just the one, and then I'm gonna get those two smoky glass ones. So that's it. Like I'm making progress, y'all. Look at this. I'm making progress. I'm making really good progress. So all of this will be going today. And then I think I got two more plates. I'll do that after I get dressed. I'll show y'all the other things that's gonna go. Then we'll put them all together and then I'll drop them off. Yeah. Is my mic on? All right, hold on, y'all. Let me see. Oh, okay, there we go. So I'm done with this. This is that Persian garden fragrance oil. It has safflower oil and jojoba oil. So I've been using this to just moisturize my body. So this is gonna go. I kept a little gold top to it. I think I might leave it on the side of my car just so I can grease my hands real good. I'm done with this that I picked up from that store, that thrift store, that Avon. Smells so good. Smells so good. I rinsed it out really good. I probably put this in a donation because you can reuse this beautiful bottle. I don't know if y'all can see the swirl on the top of that, like that. Um, I'm just like actually taking care of my face right now. That's about it, y'all. Gonna get up out of here using my dime hyper glow. Okay, using that, and I'm almost done with my castor oil. So I'm gonna be letting that bottle go. I say I ain't gonna buy no more, but only if I find it, on sale or something, then I'll use it. Yep. Or I'll buy it rather. Guys, you gotta take care of your skin, especially when it gets cold. Ooh wee. And when I say it's cold, it's cold. So y'all, when this I gotta take my hair loose. When this is empty, I have some new stuff. I'll show you in a minute. Ooh, my hair. Mm. I'll do something with it in a minute. But in the meantime, that's what we're gonna just leave it out for a second. Because I always leave my hair tied up or up in a knot. But when I finish with this dime, I have this Lacera. I googled that. That's expensive, like $32. But this is it's called the Light Glow Revitalizing Serum Toner. So once I'm done with this, I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna add some to that. Add it to the bottle, because this bottle is way bigger. So that's what it looks like. Let me know if y'all just seen this before. Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me see. There it is right there. Let me know, do y'all know anything about that? But I Googled it when I found it. I just had it down in my drawer. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all. That's one of the things that I have in there right now. But yeah, let me go get my tea and we'll catch up. So this is my Echinacea Immune Support tea. I need that, especially this time. The sun out now, but honey, don't let it fool you. Got my oatmeal ready to go. Let me put this celery up. I need to put this celery. I got all this celery right here. I had it cleaned off. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up. I don't have a bag for it, but I'll just leave it right there for now. Let me go get the rest. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Y'all see what I got here. I need to get me some potatoes because I would love to make a potato soup. But let me show y'all and I'm going to eat my oatmeal and get out of here. So these are my new bowls. If you're not following me on Simply Black Vegan, I think I was showing them my bowls, but these are my two new bowls. So I'm going to let go of these. These are the time and table. And they have like, I don't know if y'all can see like that gold. Can y'all see like that gold speckles in it? It's really nice. So I'm going to have to wrap all this stuff. All this stuff here got to get wrapped up in bags and put in here some type of way. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to eat my oatmeal. Oh, I'll show you the other ones. So I'll have a set of 4 of these because I got 2 more. And like I mentioned, or maybe I didn't mention to y'all, I went back and got 2 more because they're only 75 cents, y'all. These are really nice. And they're called, I thought they were salad plates, but they're not. They're called dinner bowls. Let me see. The tag is off where I could see. They're called Exandra Collection Stoneware. And they are called dinner bowls. So that's what you'll look for. Okay, that's what they look like. Okay, so I got those, and yeah, let me get my oatmeal together, y'all, and finish my tea, and then we'll catch up from there. I need to go ahead and get this oatmeal going. Okay. I don't know what I got myself into with all this. I don't even think I have enough stuff to put. I don't think I have enough paper. You know what I mean? To put everything, but we're gonna try to make it work. Okay, we're gonna try to make this work. These dishes, they're not really that heavy. Oh, and that's why I got the other bowls, the salad plates or whatever, the dinner bowls, just because they're not as heavy. Okay, just trying to make my life easy as I can and making it more sustainable, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish wrapping up all this little stuff. I do not want nothing to get broke, you know. So let me set this in here. Yeah, I'm praying nothing gets broke. Turn this upside down. So yeah, I'll come back, y'all, and we'll finish out this video. All right. So the room is clean. Everything's clean. Got everything packed up. I'll show you in a minute. Let me put. I haven't worn this yet. This other one with the mock neck. Can't wait to wear it. But I'm gonna put it back here, in front of this other one back here. That's how we're gonna do that. I have to make sure I put it. Oh, y'all don't even see me. I have to make sure I put it with that one, so I remember. All right, let's get wrapped up. So I'm gonna probably have to make me several trips because I don't want this glass to get damaged. But in the meantime, let me get my stuff on. Gotta get my coat and hat on real quick. So y'all, I just have on this. I have on the New Balances, okay, with these jeans and this H&M sweater, which, let me see. So yeah, the H&M chunky sweater, chunky. But y'all know it's so cold outside. It ain't time to be cute, honey. Gotta throw them wraps on. Gotta put this hat on. I'm gonna have to make several trips out to my car because I do not want those glasses to get cracked. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the car, okay? I'm gonna have to take that one last though. We'll be right back.
In the locker room, all the homies do is laugh. High fives, cause another nigga played your ass. It was
Hold on.
She got her own thing.
I don't care what they got. It's so cold. I can't take it. It's cold. Mama, it's cold out here. I can't take it. Mama. Oh. I had to turn the heat on. Mama. I know some of y'all like, Sonya, come on. No, it's cold, yo. It's 50 degrees. If y'all could feel my hands, it is freezing. We made it here to the donation place. Everything made it safe. So I'm just going to close out this vlog by saying, do something great for somebody else, okay? Do something great for somebody else. You got too much stuff. You're not wearing all that stuff. You're not using all that stuff. Give it to somebody who can use it. Somebody who can benefit from it. Because I can't drink out of all those glasses. I don't even have enough company to drink out of all those glasses. It's not even worth it. So yeah, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell everybody about the channel. Hype the video up. And also follow me on Simply Black Vegan. And also love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye.